Hi there, I'm Dr Jacinta and this is Dr Andy from Open Space Healing. Welcome to our channel.
We are holistic-based chiropractors with over 25 years collective experience and the co-owners of this beautiful space in Perth, Western Australia.
We're so happy you're here because we have an abundance of knowledge to share with you about both the physical and emotional aspects of your healing.
So if you're suffering with a sore lower back, gut issues, you're stressed, or you're just looking for inspiration on how to live your best life, we've got you covered.
On our channel, we share natural healing techniques, tutorials, recipes, and how-to guides, as well as lifestyle tips that will dramatically improve your well-being.
So if you're wanting to dive straight in, please explore all of our playlists, and thank you so much for remembering to subscribe so that you'll be the first to know of the next video that we release live.
Well, that's it from us. We look forward to sharing with you our knowledge so that you can live your best life.